This is a repair attempt for Allstate. As you can see here, we're replacing this marked shingle as indicated in the yellow. We have a missing shingle and then 2 crease tabs here. So here we go. Oh. So I'm removing the first 2 rows of shingles, the top 2 rows of shingles, in order to access the nails. Okay, so I'm gonna get these nails out. Get all these little chunks of shingles out. Okay, there's one. We just gotta get to it. So from removal, we have this shingle's torn, and this shingle these shingles have only creased worse. I'm gonna now insert the new shingle in and attempt to solid nail it across the face. There we go. So, put the shingle in line, and we have to nail. Danny, will you hand me my hammer, please? Gotcha. Ooh, that thing's hot. It's burning my hands. You have to lift this shingle up high enough to get the nail in the right spot. Just straight hammer it down. And as we know, this is no longer to code as we have disturbed the tar paper up under it, but this is the best the situation allows for. Alright. Okay. See, as I'm doing that, it is creasing this shingle more at the top. I would lift it more to show it, but I don't want to create additional damage. I have to break the seal on this one. Same thing there.
That one's...
This shingle's now tearing, as you can see, and this one will probably continue that trend. I get one more. Nope. Ooh, this one. Okay, so we replaced this one. We have damaged this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And we have jeopardized these two by tearing holes in them, so, and that. So as you can see, this roof cannot be repaired.